Okay, so next question. Do you think we will see a bull run like 2017, where Bitcoin dropped and alts ran to insane prices? Still feels like we're not there yet. Bill, what do you think about this?
Okay, so this is a good question, right? So I think what's going to happen is at the moment where Ethereum becomes everything you ever imagined it could be, everyone's going to give up on it. Right? In other words, all I've heard all week is ETH is dead, Binance Swap, Pancake Swap, Binance Coin, Pancake, Cardano. I mean, breathtaking headlines. Meanwhile, we have guys in our, on our research team saying, stuff's going to come out for ETH that's going to solve all these gas fee problems. That's going to, all of this, like, they have names for it, layer 2 scalability, Uniswap version 3. I mean, folks, this stuff's not coming out like, next year. Some of this stuff is going to start happening soon. And we've been covering a lot of the small alts and places to be with our private group. So, I think the future of ETH is a couple months away, right? So altcoins, as in like the small stuff that 10 or 100 X's, I don't think it's happened yet. I think people are trying to do it in Polkadot universe. And I think that they don't realize that there's a future. Like there's almost like ETH 2.0, and there's probably going to be an ETH like derivatives Wall Street disruption. It may not be a ton of coins, but there are going to be 5 or 6 coins that could 50x. I'm serious. I mean, if Aave can go from 100 to 500, then some of the things that we've been talking to our customers about, that our research team has found, they can 100x or 10x, right? Yeah. So, I mean, if the stuff on Coinbase can go up 3 to 5x, the stuff that we're looking at, especially as everyone gives up on Ethereum, it's crazy.
Yeah. So we shared this project, or rather exchange, dYdX, with our customers last week, and they just launched basically integration for layer 2 scaling with Starkware. So basically, they're able to build an exchange that's fast. So what people have been complaining about with the gas fees and everything, so they're doing everything using Starkware, which is a scaling protocol or scaling technology for Ethereum. Definitely worth looking into, because I think now that we see, because if we go back here to DeFi Pulse, where is this derivatives or lending? dYdX is 6th in terms of ranking on DeFi Pulse. They have $245 million in value locked up. So now they're adding integration with layer 2 and Starkware. I think other projects will follow suit. And will this be the solution to Ethereum gas fees, or just high cost of transactions? I don't know. But I think the fact that projects now are integrating this, I think, in my opinion, this is still very bullish. However, I do see Ethereum still having this issue, because I don't think it's going to happen very, very quickly, where all of a sudden we just kind of go to no gas fees with that Ether. But I think projects like Cardano, Polkadot, and others are trying to, and also Binance Smart Chain, they're trying to compete. And for now, they're doing a very good job, in my opinion. But going back to the question you had regarding the bull run, I think it's just getting started. Now, obviously, things can change. This is not financial advice. But I think what's happening with NFTs is very huge, in my opinion. And I'm seeing very many people now who typically were not in crypto, now getting into crypto via NFTs. So I think if we keep an eye on what's going on with NFTs, that could tell us where the next bull run is going. Because if we go to Google Trends, let me actually pull this up here. So NFTs now are more popular than DeFi, which is pretty crazy, because we've been talking about DeFi forever and have barely been talking about NFTs. But if you go to trends.google.com and type in NFT and DeFi, for the last month, NFTs online is a trending topic. Yeah, so looking at this here, NFT has 100 and DeFi has 26, which is pretty crazy. So if anything, all these people are getting into crypto. They're getting into CryptoPunks, getting into NBA Top Shot. And I think all these people will eventually, because to partake in all of that, most platforms you have to either buy ETH or they do it for you kind of behind the scenes. So I know for Top Shot, they work with Flow, which has done pretty well as well. But I think all these people now getting into crypto, becoming crypto users, I think is very, very bullish. So let me go back here. So to answer your question, do you think we will see a bull run like 2017 where Bitcoin dropped and alts ran into insane prices? I think so. But I don't think drop is the right phrase. I think Bitcoin will slow down and maybe go sideways for a bit. And then altcoins will pump. But I think altcoins, in my opinion, obviously I'm a kind of an altcoin maximalist. I think altcoins are poised to have a huge run. Last year, August was the huge run for DeFi and alts. This year, we're not there yet. We haven't really had like a blow off top on altcoins. It may seem like it, but I don't think we're there yet because we've shared this, there's a site here, Altcoin. And according to this, we're not there yet. Yeah, so Altcoin season index. So according to this, they go through and look at top 50 coins based on market cap and whether they've done better than Bitcoin, right? So looking at this chart here, the last blow off top for alts was back in August. That's when people were talking about Chainlink, and so far we're not there yet. So I don't think we're there yet, but I do think it's coming, because when people start making 100x's very quickly and new projects begin entering the top 20 market cap, that's when I think we'll have that.
Token Metrics is a cryptocurrency investment platform that helps users leverage machine learning to become better crypto investors. Our in-depth analysis helps eliminate the emotions of investing, find profitable investment opportunities, and filters out scams. Learn more at tokenmetrics.com.